Analyzing data and visualizing this data in modern times is no longer a thing for the experts. Any person, any profession who handles any sort of data must be able to derive insights and be able to make meaningful decisions from these data. Now, this is possible with the Power BI tool. Okay, so the Power BI tool does not require you to be an expert, to have any skills in data management, or to have any skills maybe in IT or anything related to data. Okay, and actually what we've done at Docndata is to craft a program, Advanced Power BI, that will help you to go beyond the basics. I mean, we will start from the basics and go beyond that. That includes connecting to data sources, the basics of connecting to data sources, and also the advanced bit of it, up to the advanced levels, creating things like paginated reports and also advanced dashboards. And these will help you to elevate your game in data analysis and also visualizing these particular data. Now, there is a number of notable areas that we are going to cover in this amazing program that is Advanced Power BI. Now, away from just connecting to data sources, the various data sources that are there, we are going to look at the step-by-step ways of cleaning data. You know, we term it as transforming data using the Power Query editor. That is the inbuilt Power Query editor. Then from there, we will look at data analysis expressions. Now, data analysis expressions is a very wide topic or area when it comes to Power BI, and we're going to take an in-depth analysis and practical review of the data analysis expressions. Now, if you've done Excel or advanced Excel, you might have come across the functions, the nesting of functions. So this is more of like a builder of these particular skills. Okay, that is when it comes to data analysis. And then another interesting thing is modeling of data. Very important, creating relationships, building or understanding what we term as schemas, how to create schemas properly, how best practices when it comes to data modeling. So these are some of the key items we are going to do. And again, we are going to start from the basics to the advanced. So you don't need to worry if you have no background skills in the Power BI. We are going to start from the basics to the highest level. Something else that we're going to cover in this advanced program is the ability to visualize the data. Now, this is one of the most interesting part in Power BI. Actually, this tool is primarily built for that, to visualize data so that you can see the insights very fast. Now, if you look at a tool like PowerPoint, there are so many limitations. Now, this is more like an upgrade. And the reason as to why I'm saying an upgrade is because we can be able to scale it up, to scale up the data so that even our visualizations can be scaled up. Okay, there are interesting items like drill through, a technique. There is something we term as hierarchies. So, for example, you want to represent data for a country, you can be able to create hierarchies where you will drill through your reports from the country, maybe to the state or the sub-counties, to the counties, to the states, to the wards, like that. Okay, you're able to drill through your report through creating hierarchies. So there's a number of powerful tools that are in Power BI when it comes to visualization. Now, for those who are handling projects, now Power BI is a go-to tool. I mean, the ability to create Gantt charts, I mean, it's awesome. It is simple, it is powerful, and you'll be able to scale up the data very easily. So take the step, register your details so that you can be able to get more about this particular program. We have provided the details down below. You can be able to reach out to us. You can talk to a consultant if you would want to know and to get more details about this program. And as I always say, see you in class.